So I was going over the wall looking for cracks and holes to fill when I come across this crack in the paint. So I cut around it, started scraping, it got bigger and bigger. Eventually chunks of paint were flying all over the place. Oh no, look at the size of this hole.
Houston, we've had a problem.
Don't panic. Just calm down. We got this. So we just take a knife, a couple of scrapers, and we're ready to go. I scrape until I feel the paint is getting harder to lift. Then I cut a groove around the paint to form an edge and then scrape up to that edge. Right, so watch part 2 of this where I show you how to fill this hole. Thanks so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe